This is the May ASOS box. This edit is called Hair to the Rescue. Let's have a little dig through to see what we've got. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this. So this is the May ASOS box. Let's get it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. I am trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. I can't get into this box. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers and we are so close. There's like 40 more subscribers to go. I'm going to link a video here. In that video, it's just going to show you what's in the giveaway. And yeah, the main prize is the glossy 2021 advent calendar, which is just simply amazing. So yeah, if you can share with your friends and your family so we can get there quicker, hopefully they'll subscribe, and yeah, we can get on with the giveaway. Here is the box. Very nice indeed. There were 2 boxes out this month because there were 2 hair care boxes. One for just normal hair and one for curly hair. So my hair's weird. I do have a natural wave to my hair, so I could have got the curly hair box. But I decided to go with a straight one because I also wear my hair straight. Basically, it was 6 2/3 which one I was going to get. But yeah, I went for this one. So we have the edit card, just having a little bit of information about the products in here. What does that say there? It just says hair to the rescue. Let's have a sneaky peek. Oh, it did look more impressive online. I didn't look at any sizes of anything. I just had a little sneak peek of the photo. It doesn't look like there's much in there at all. But I have to remember this was only £12. But let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what's in here. Right, so back to the edit card. It has a little note at the top here, so we'll quickly read that. And it just says, summer's well and truly on its way. And you know what that means? It's time to protect your hair. We're always looking after our skin and applying our SPF, right? Right? Yeah, I'm a good girl. But it's easy to forget that our hair needs a little TLC too. Well, this ASOS face and body box is here to help you take care of your hair this summer. Shiny, healthy hair, we're coming for you. First item in the box we have is this. It just says, let's start with our treatment essentials. The Philip Kingsley Split End Therapy Mask should be used every 3rd wash. Apply it to your towel dried hair is a gorgeous remedy to help prevent broken and dry ends. Plus it smells absolutely flippin' lovely. Yeah, cool. So we have this. It is 20 mils that we have in here. I've received 1 or 2 of these now, and to be honest, I haven't tried them, so I'm definitely going to have to try it because Philip Kingsley is a fabulous hair brand. So yes, I must try this. Second item we have in the box is this. So it just says, the next self-care Sunday treatment comes courtesy of Living Proof, the Restore Mask. And then in brackets it says the hair and skincare hero glycolic acid is in it, so that's cool. It's the perfect conditioning treatment. Use once or twice a week for best results. Yeah, fab. I love Living Proof. I love their dry shampoo. I'll link a video here. I've done a review on the dry shampoo, so check that out. I actually have somewhere in my hair mask drawer, I think I have a Living Proof hair mask, which I don't know if it's this one, but I really must start using my hair mask desperately because my hair needs it in any way. Third item we have in the box is this. And it just says, the last of our hydrating trio comes from The Ordinary. Just before bed, apply a few drops of the natural moisturising factors and AHA serum to your scalp. Not only does it help keep your scalp hydrated, it's a great excuse to indulge in a little at-home head massage too. Talk about a win-win. Yeah, cool. I've been wanting to actually try some of the Ordinary hair care that they do, so really happy to get this. Let's have a look. So that is what it looks like. So this is a full-size product, and there's 60 mils in here. Ah, right, so it's white. I don't think I can smell anything, but yeah, can't wait to try that. The fourth product we have in the box is this. It just says, next up, straight from the Kardashian Jenner hairstylist, Jen Atkin, comes the Ouai hair oil. Whatever your hair type or curl pattern, a few drops of this will help leave your hair smooth, sans flyaways, and ready for styling. Oh yeah, there it is there. Let's just rub that in. Oh wow, that is really light. Oh my god, and it smells absolutely divine. The fifth and final product we have in the box is this. It just says, and last but not least, when it comes to holding your hair in place, we love our everyday fave, the Invisibobble. Sleek buns incoming. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, cool. I really love these. Sometimes I just need a normal bobble to get my hair back and keep it up, especially for work. These do, for me, get a little bit loose in the hair. But yeah, I love these. When I can get away with using these, I certainly will, to help protect my hair. Yeah, great brand. Guys, so this is the May ASOS box. Hair to the rescue. What do you think? Personally, this is a really good box, considering it was £12. I must admit, like you saw, I was a little shocked when I opened the box up and I saw how small the sizes were. The box just looked a bit empty, but no, looking at it, for £12, that is actually really good, considering there's a Philip Kingsley product in there, there's a Living Proof product in there. The Ordinary is a very affordable brand, so really affordable products, which is great. The ouai, they're a nice brand too, with invisibobbles. I can't even talk. I'm tired. So yeah, really actually very happy with this box. When I first saw it, I didn't think I would be, but yeah, very happy. Write your comments down below. What do you think? Have you got this box? Yeah, that concludes my video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I don't know what I'm doing there, but never mind. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.